Welcome back to Digital Real Estate Marketing video course. In this video, you are going to learn how to do social media marketing for real estate business, right? So let's get started, right? So there is a two types in social media marketing. Number one is social media management, and number two is a social media ads. So let's understand social media management. So what is actually social media management? Social media management is the process of managing your social media accounts to build a brand, to build a online authority, to build a online trust in your potential customer or clients or anyone you want to anyone the person you want that the person should trust on you, right? So social media management help you to generate free leads, also to build a brand also, right? So you need social media accounts. We have talked which type of accounts you need. Then you need a content, right? Value, so you can help out to people, right? So you need some tools, and also you need a consistency. You need a consistency whenever you are going to provide a value or whenever you are going to create a content. We have already talked about which type of content you can create on your social media marketing, right? So you can use this type of content, or I will show you which type of content you can use. And you need a tools, and you also need a consistency, and one important thing is that you need a paid ad skill, and that's complete package equal to social media marketing, right? Okay, so let's go ahead. So first of all, create your Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn and YouTube channel, right? We have already understand this thing. Then you need a value post or value, right? You need a 16 per month, one by one. Let's suppose if you post today, take a break of one day, then post again. So you need 16 posts per month, and that tends to a successful social media accounts or successful social media management. I'm actually talking about very minimum content you can produce, right? So you can another thing is that you can create a value post of 16 per month, right? So per month, that's minimum. Connect with tools and schedule your post. That will help you to save your time, right? So let me show you which tools you can use and schedule the post. Number one tool, the tool that I use personally is that Hootsuite. This tool will help you to manage your social media account. So as you can see here, Hootsuite is a social media management platform, right? So let me show you. Social media management platform simplified. You can start your free 30-day trial. They also offer a free trials also, right? You can connect with 35 popular social media networks. You can schedule, promote, analytics, content curation, monitoring, team management, security, apps and integration, right? So you can use this tool to manage your social media accounts, right? I personally use this account. So let me show you the dashboard of this account you can use. So as you can see here, this is how the dashboard look like of Hootsuite social media account. So this is our one page that we create a content, we create a value post, we create a content and do 16 posts plus per month. We are not actually create a content of 16 per month. We create a more than 16. We create a 30 or 60 posts per month, right? So this is how it look like this. In publish section, you can publish your content and schedule the post. Just click on the new post and you can schedule the post. Let me show you. I have some schedule the post, right? So as you can see here, we have some schedule our post, right? Our past post and new post. Two posts on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. So as you can see here, our networks is page and Instagram page. So let me show you our account. So this is our Instagram account, and we create a post, right? This is our Instagram account, you can follow us. We create a post to create a value so people can follow us, right? And we can also promote our listing here, so we can generate lead free for, right? So currently we are actually growing our business, we are actually building our brand. So you can create this type of content. If you want to create this type of content, you can use a tool called a Canva tool, graphic designing tool. This is a complete easy to use tool that you can use create your graphic designing works here, right? And here also available templates you can use. You can also create advertisement here by using template section, and you can create all that amazing valuable post using this tool, and we have actually created using this tool, right? So this is how you can do your social media management, right? So create all this stuff. So let's go ahead. Social media ads, another pad is that in social media ads you can go for Facebook and Instagram ads. Also if you want to go ad section, you can go Google ads as well, but this is not social media ads. Social media ad, that means social media accounts and their ad platform, that's it. Social media ads, social media ads you need for a generating leads for your business, right? So let me give you some tips, right? So provide value first, that's very important. If possible, post 4 times a day, in morning, in evening, or you can post after 2 hours in 4 times. It's completely depend on you. If possible, post 4 times a day. Don't forget to use stories feature, promote your listing without spamming. So one thing I have seen in lot of real estate business, that they go and they always spam. They always promote their listing on different Facebook groups, on their page. They just promote it, that's it. They don't provide value. So try to provide value like this, right? And then promote your listing so you can generate lead for free also. Highlight your success story on your social media accounts, whatever you have achieved success, all that stuff. Keep eye on your competitor, right? You can do things. Tools I have also mentioned here. Hashtagify to find the best hashtag for Instagram and Twitter. Hootsuite to manage all your social media platform at one place. Lithium to connect with audience. Canva to create a post, and Boxbrownie to enhance your property images, right? You can use these tools. So I have some example of some international people who do their real estate marketing like this. They share real estate activity in their company like this, right? And they also indirectly promote their property or listing, as you can see here. Another one is that another example is that success story. So don't forget your success story to promote on your social media, so people can trust on you. You can get clients, more and more clients, right? So make sure you build a brand, right, as like this, and do on your social media accounts. So that's it in this video, and thank you so much for having me here, and make sure you use these tips in your business, and see you in next video. Thank you so much.